Now, bunge la mwananchi leaders here in Nairobi want investigative officers to act swiftly and ensure that everyone who took part in inciting the clashes witnessed between the Somali and Kamba communities are arrested. The leaders said that if quick action is not taken, the nation could end up in a bad place.
While political ambition is a right, it must never be used as a platform to sow seeds of discord, or ethnic animosity against our brothers and sisters. We wish to register our appreciation for the DCI for the swift action in apprehending the said aspiring politician.
National Cohesion and Integration Commission must exercise its mandate to hold these individual leaders accountable. Because when you incite communities against each other, we are destroying the social fabric of our country. Therefore, as bunge la mwananchi, we condemn those leaders who want to take advantage of the situation in Sekuru.
Katika nchi ya Kenya tunaongozwa na katiba. Katika katiba article 42 inakubali kila mtu to acquire property katika pali yoyote nchi yetu ya Kenya. Kwa hivyo mandugu zetu wa Somali wako na haki ya kufanya biashara kila mahali popote ya Kenya.
Now, a family in Moyale, Manyata area in